Hello, my name is Ben Godazi and I'm the Corporate Service Manager with Great West Equipment. Today we are going to be going over the ease of access for maintenance on the L260H wheel loader. If we open the rear hood door, we have access to the diesel exhaust fluid filling points, as well as a cooling package. The hydraulic oil cooler is hinged, which opens up to give us even more access into the cooling package to be able to clean during routine maintenance. The open and close switch for the hood is located conveniently at ground level access in a compartment that's well protected from the elements. The hood opens with an electronically controlled actuator. Once the hood is fully open, you have full access to the whole engine area, making daily and routine maintenance checks easy. The engine side panels can be removed and installed within seconds. Once removed, we have easy access to the engine and some of the other component filters. The remote mounting and grouping of the filters allows for more efficient maintenance and less downtime. The Volvo large platform wheel loaders feature a tiltable cab. The hydraulic actuator sends the cab up to 30 degrees without the need to disconnect any hydraulic lines or electrical connectors. The cab features a red safety locking bar. This should always be engaged into this position when the cab is tilted past this point here. Once the cab is raised, we have a large access underneath the cab and on top of the transmission for ease of cleaning and routine maintenance.